making phones in India in January 2015, even before government had announced any kind of tax benefits for Make in India. So I'm happy to share that we are introducing or bringing the Make in India philosophy to our power banks, and we are launching our third manufacturing plant in India, and the first one for power banks. Now, we posted this on social media a few days ago that I is coming. A lot of people started guessing, what does this I mean for? This means that we're launching a new series of power banks, which is designed for India and is being made here in India. So what is this series? So there are two power banks that we're launching. The first one is 10,000 mAh Mi Power Bank 2i. Let me talk about this. It's a 10,000 mAh power bank with about 85% conversion rate, which means the actual output capacity that you will get is minimum 6,500 mAh. Now, for a high battery phone like Redmi Note 4, you can almost charge it 1.5 times. And for a phone like Mi A1, you can charge it almost 2 times, more than 2 times in fact. So smart power banks are really smart power banks. They have a high quality chip inside. The chip that we used is basically designed by Texas Instrument, and it's a very high quality circuit that we use. It provides us 9 levels or 9 layers of protection that no other power bank provides. Let me talk about 2 specific things. One is protection from short circuit, and second is temperature resistance. This chip ensures that it automatically switches off, and it avoids any kind of damage to the battery or to the circuit or to the device that you are charging. Similarly, if the ambient temperature goes up, like there's a lot of heat in Delhi or NCR, right? Automatically it switches off, and it avoids any kind of damage being caused to power bank or to the phone that you are charging. This is a typical battery inside any power bank, and this is the battery that we use. Much more expensive, much higher quality, significantly better. And because of which, our power banks are much slimmer. A 10,000 mAh power bank is only 14.2 mm thin. So I'm happy to share, for the first time ever, we're introducing a dual port in a 10,000 mAh power bank. This is how these power banks look like. Very beautiful, elegant design. These power banks are made of, a 10,000 mAh power bank is made of aluminum metal case. Let me just quickly summarize this. So this has lithium polymer batteries up to 85% conversion rate, supports dual USB output, and is a metal case. Now, a similar 10,000 mAh power bank we were selling in India till last week for an amazing price of 1,199. And MiFans basically told us that you should make it even lower. And one of the ways to lower price is to save money in supply chain and save money in terms of taxes, the benefit that we get, tax benefit for making phones in India. So I'm happy to share that we are making a lot of progress in saving costs in supply chain and taxes, and we are passing it to users. So we are launching this new power bank at a price of 799. Of course, all these power banks will be made locally here in India in this particular factory. Second is our 20,000 mAh power bank, which we are calling as 20,000 mAh power bank 2i. This also has 85% conversion rate, which means the actual output capacity that you get is more than 13,000 mAh. Similar to the earlier power bank, this also has high density lithium polymer batteries and also has dual USB support. This 20,000 mAh power bank also supports Quick Charge 3.0 if you're charging one phone at a time. So again, price and key specs, same lithium polymer battery, dual output, Quick Charge 3.0. A similar 20,000 mAh power bank that we were importing in India, we were selling at 2199 or 2200 rupees. And again, because we are benefiting from supply chain and tax benefits, we are passing that benefit to user. And this we are launching at 1499. Both these products will be available very soon. Starting day after tomorrow, which is 23rd of November, they will be available on Mi.com and Mi Homes. And then starting next